Sting. Are you officially booked for Sting right now?
Yeah, man, officially.
Okay. So you're officially booked for Sting, ready to go.
Yeah.
Demarco was sitting in that same chair where you were yesterday, all right? And we're talking about this $6 million right here. For
That's
Sting.
that chair for you, so. Like you talk about down.
I say, now I understand why you're quick on your feet right there. All right? He wants 6, so then it's like half the war is basically booked for Sting, which is you're confirmed. So then if, let's say worst case scenario,
Yeah.
Demarco doesn't get booked for Sting, what happens there now? And say Coyote is booked for Sting, what happens there now?
Them not get book. Demarco not get book. I'm a demand 6 mil. Yeah. Coyote, if him get book, war. Me no back for nobody. Me going hot. Right now, me I get heated, father.
Yeah. So you say anything is anybody that comes up on the stage, you're ready.
Anybody at all. Them have to have name because they can't style me thing. You know? Yeah. Cool, you know?
But it's really Demarco. Yeah. Because I remember you're the one that said put up a fence. All right, don't make them escape.
Cage up the stage. Because some man nah no lyrics, you know. I be around the song, them around go for lyrics. You see it? Me load, you know. Me have a clip. What long from here, so go way back where we are forward from. Full of lyrics. Ram pack. You see it? I say it a fire. You see it?
Yo!
Yeah, what?
Listen, again, as I just said to you, DeMarco was in that chair yesterday. This is a question I asked him, and I'm going to ask you the same thing. If DeMarco was outside that door right now and came inside, what would you say to DeMarco right now?
Me and him are not enemy. And I feel like DeMarco respect me. And me respect him. You see it? Right now, I'm a god in the music. I can't tell her that, father. DeMarco, I'm a god in the music. For what him do. Because enough man who don't do what him do. That's why I said that. You see, pray. And what him do for my career is a great look to see him way. You see it? So, I be a respect me go show DeMarco. Anytime we connect up, be a respect. You see it? Because right now, me do a great thing for him to like. In a dancehall, you have to clash. You see, pray?
It's part of the culture.
Yeah, you have to, it's a part of the culture. Because, yeah, as I say, to become the next king of dancehall, you have to go through a process. You see, bro? Yeah, so DeMarco did need that for his career. For people to say, yo, I'm really talented. You see me? Yeah.
Right there. It's an interesting clash. 'Cause right now, as I even told him, when you look at the comments, you listen to songs, go on and good, but nobody has landed that knockout punch yet.
Yeah.
Where everybody's saying, okay, it's over, it's dead. You have people that's giving your ratings, and you have people giving him his.
True.
But none of the two of you guys have landed that knockout. Yeah, there was some jabs and some uppercuts and some rib shots.
You might go hard. I mean, I go hard.
You know what I mean?
So, that make it, the war is so interesting. You see it, because him a go hard and me a go hard. And him a giant and me a young youth we are forward out. You see, pray. That shock dancehall certain way, because crazy lyrics are fire. Man, show you say, yo, him brain active too, you see it? And we show them so we fully bad over here, so.
For sure.
So that's why I play so nice, you see it?
And where you really love, come, okay, say what you're saying, I'll tell you.
You see how clash are going nice? You know, so nice like when me and him did that war. Like, you see me? Because some man jump in a war and water down the war because them take like all 5 days for answer. You can't clash and take 5 days for answer. It's like a big joke thing that at this dancehall. Go write song, boy. You see it? Lazy. As I tell you when me and clash, me no rest my father. Like sleep or chill me. I'm just go wash my face. Me can't sleep now. At my time now. At this time moment. Kill where I kill sleep. You see me? Yeah, man, my father, man. Me live in a studio, man. All the engineer have to move come on me yard on night time. Core. I string up everything.
Yeah.
We don't sleep. Hours. Work. My voice all that time, I say, I not feel that, change that. Till the song complete and we say video.
Yeah.
Drop it them time there.
That's what
Place
really
a bun down.
has you up are the visuals. I think that all the lyrics are popping right now. But you see the fact that you're dropping visuals for every song, boss?
Yeah.
That's what really has people paying attention right now.
Yeah, cause I love the visual thing, you know. Cause when me usually flex with the same manager, brother there, you see it. When me usually roll with them, never get a visual yet. Never get a visual yet from foot type them. I do my thing. Like I just did it. Just anything I say I go out, I do my thing. And when we start get some nice visual, when we start into slow motion, him is the man where like change my career a certain way and turn me in a professional artist. So people have to start to respect the brand and know say, yo, the brand fully bad. Don't play with it. You see it? Yeah, me start release song like Born for Do It, My Daughter, Airplane Mode, and the list continue. And when I check the statistic, them song, there are some solid songs where people know. Like my fans them know, like me can go show and I sing them. And fans can sing on to them. Plus, in a next song named Glow, I want a big song them. And I have a next song named Cushion Paper. That I pull down crazy streams for Spotify. Almost 1 million stream that song alone have.
Okay.
Me I pull down stream, you know. That's how I know say enough of them look at you that can't size up with me because I go look on Spotify. I say a YouTube alone there at pan and I buy bare views. Spotify I think my father. Because me not just bigger Jamaica, worldwide me think that.
But that's the thing with the internet. Nowadays you could, once you drop something somewhere, people in El Salvador, Colombia, India, China.
I can't even pronounce the name.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I go in at Spotify and say, wow, don't there's some song them I play. Yeah.
But you see, now that you got the attention, the spotlight, the team, the record label, the visual artists and everything, what's the move for 2024? Because to me, let's say the war goes until December 26th. You get a couple days to cool off, the year is done.
Yeah.
What's the plan for 2024 for Fully Bad?
Well, the kind of plan we always try to implement is that, you know, the plan we always use to surprise the fans them. Like, me always have forwarded some kind of surprise, like, bluff. Fans them I say, no, we're Fully Bad forward from with this, yo, this stuff. You see it, like, for surprise the fans, I do some mistake. You see it, just great music, great visual, same way. Because we've been putting in the work. Just the attention we did need now, we are get it. So, I just great music and great visual, you know.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.